Hello everybody, how you doing? John Bonham here, Cape Cod Wet Shaving. Another shave video for you. Today I'm going to be giving my first impression on a set that I was very much looking forward to. And that would be Catalina from the Shave Supply and MacDuff's Soap Company. Their latest collaboration. You might be seeing this popping up. I was fortunate enough to be one of the first ones to get my hands on it. So let me start off with what I have. As usual, coffee of the day. 100% Colombian from 8 o'clock coffee. This is actually pretty good. Better than I thought it would be. I love Colombian coffee and I was afraid this would be on the cheaper side, but it's actually quite good. Very, very aromatic. So I'm quite a fan. Okay, so my usual product review thing, I'll use only the product. I use MacDuff's all the time, so it's more about the scent than the product. And MacDuff's is a pretty established brand, as we all know. Wonderful stuff, great base. So I'm going to throw other stuff in. I'm just going to make it a full-on shave. I already have this on my face. The Hawkins & Brimble beard oil I'm using for pre-shave. This is what they sent me to review. I really like it. I love the scent on it. It's very, very low, mild, but sweet, which I like a lot. So, of course, I have that soap. I have the matching aftershave splash. And because of the bergamot and lime for the post-shave balm, I'm going to be using Amalfi Breeze from Elvado. This is a really, really good scent, especially for summertime. So I do need to use some Elvado grooming on camera again. How you doing, John, by the way, if you see this? Wonderful guy. And I wanted to bring this up because I haven't really used it on camera. I'll show you the brush I'm going to use, but this is the MacDuff's brush I got from AKA Shaving. Really nice brush. Perfect for his soaps. His soaps are very soft. There's the pour, but I'll show you, and I've said this on video before, they're very tacky. Croak. All right. And this type of knot and the synthetic is really good for his soap because you don't overindulge. You can overload instantly with his soaps. Oh, the brush. I'm going to be using my wonderful Lighthouse brush made for me personally by Cody at True Till Death Shaves. There we go. So I decided I wanted to name this, and the only name I could think of that made sense to me, because it's a Lighthouse brush, is Abby Burgess. I don't know if I want to call it Abby Burgess or just Burgess, but for those who don't know, it's a Coast Guard thing and a historic thing, both in my wheelhouse. Abby Burgess is one of the most famous lighthouse tenders from the old days. I should know offhand when she was a female lighthouse tender. She was a badass, this woman. And more importantly, the Abby Burgess was the cutter that my wife was working on when she and I met when we were both in the Coast Guard. She was on the pier across from mine. And it's a buoy tender in the Coast Guard called the Abby Burgess. So a lot of personal stuff involved with that. So I figured, what the hell, fitting name, I think. I don't know. So I'll be using that. So the first thing I'm going to start off with, along with this. This is the Bailey Stepless Razor. All right. These are on sale at sterlingsoap.com. Really nice razor. A lot bigger than I thought it would be. And really good bargain. So it is a twist to open. But see right there, it's also adjustable. So haven't used it at all, ever. And thought I'd use it on camera, which is kind of a ballsy thing, but I keep it real. I'll be using Gillette Platinums. I haven't used these blades in a very long time. I'll be using that. So to start off with, right out of the gate with this, I'm not sure if I'm gonna like the scent. Okay. Scent notes of this are lime, coconut milk, rum, bergamot, mandarin, ginger, ylang-ylang, jasmine, saffron, amber, cedarwood, and musk. Out of the tub, unfortunately, I get banana. I'm not a banana fan. This is also a homage inspired by Creed. Is it Virgin Island water, I believe? Is the fragrance this is modeled after. Never smelled it before. No surprise there. But I'm not a banana guy. So I get banana, not overbearing, not horrible, but it's in there. And there's no banana scent notes in this, but ylang-ylang has a tart banana scent to it. Okay, so we'll see. Let me lather it up. I'm going to lather off camera. For those who are not familiar with MacDuff's soaps, as I showed you, it is tacky. So you got to be very careful. But I'm going to lather to save time. I'll be right back. All right. See you in a second. All right. I think it's still a little bit too thin. But I'm going to go ahead and just work with this, and I'll thicken it up as I go. You can still see some pretty big bubbles in it, but there we go. So it's, as I said, it's very easy to overload with this stuff. And so what I'll do is I'll swirl, and I add a little bit at a time. But generally what I'll do, I won't even swirl in the jar. I'll swipe. See? And I'll grab something like that and come along and then go back in. Add, swirl, add, swirl, add, swirl until I get something close enough that I know it's looking, you know, like decent lather. Still a little too much water. See the bubbles? That's all right. I'll go from there. Okie doke. So, banana's there. Not a huge fan of it. But, now that it's lathered, I'm getting the lime a lot more prevalent, along with the mandarin. Okay, that's not bad. That's actually way better. My heart sank. I went out to the mail, grabbed it, and we have a side door on my house. So if you're facing my house, that's the first time that's happened. That's a beard hair instead of a freaking brush hair in the soap. And we use the side door more than our front door. If we hear a knock on our front door, it's someone who doesn't know us. That's how I know every time it's a salesman or something, because no one goes to our front door. They know to come knock on our side door, which is where our kitchen is. So I walked in, plopped the box down, opened it right there on the stove. And as soon as I took a whiff out of the tub, I was like, oh no, I'm not gonna like this, because I got banana. But those scent notes, the lime and the coconut milk, the rum, I think, is mixed in with the ylang-ylang. I had to look it up too. I've always called it ylang-ylang or ylang-ylang or something. I thought the Y was silent, but it's actually, uh-oh, he's getting pissed off. It's actually pronounced, which makes sense, but getting some woodier elements. All right. I'm definitely getting that mandarin and that lime. I like that a lot. This isn't bad. All right. I stand corrected. Good stuff. Thank goodness, man, because I would have been upset if that was banana forward. I can't do banana. It's just ugh, to me. All right. Whoopsie. I don't think I'm getting any of the amber really that I can notice. There's a sweetness to it. Oh, that's good. I have it on the lowest setting, lowest aggressive, because this is a new blade in here and I've never used this razor. I don't like overly aggressive anyways. All right, guys, false alarm. This isn't bad at all. I would have used it anyways because it is MacDuff's, but I wouldn't have used it very often. I would have probably broken it out and used it once during the summer, spring months, and that would have been it once, once a season probably. So I'm glad it's not heavy banana. In fact, I'm actually getting more of the citrus, teeny bit of the jasmine, what I assume is the jasmine, and the ginger. So the ylang-ylang and the rum. That's what you'll get out of the tub. Now I wonder what the difference between coconut and coconut milk would be. I love when you get an interesting scent note in there, you're not familiar with it. Makes you wonder. All right. This is good. I'm not familiar with the Creed fragrance that it's modeled after, but this is a summer fragrance through and through. That's way better. The lime and the rum, and what I assume has to be the coconut. And this razor is amazing. I'll have to fiddle with different blades. I bet you if I did a Parker blade and a couple clicks closer to aggressive, it would be a nice shave. But I love how big this thing is and the weight. It's heavy, which is my forte. Good stuff. All right, 11 minutes in. Let me go ahead and do a quick second pass, and I mean quick. That lather's a lot better. Look at that. Oh, that's good. Give me a second here, I'll do a screenshot. All right, this is good stuff. I'm sorry, I'm just sitting here. I try very hard to keep talking. Maybe I'll do a second pass off camera. I think I will. I'll do a short video. But this is very nice. Screenshot. There we go. Yeah. I know that's lame, but I might use it, I might not. Uh-oh. 1 second. All right, sorry, my son was leaving for work and I had the keys in my pocket. That's not useful to anybody. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the second pass off camera. I'll be right back. I'll do post shave, all right? All righty. I don't know how, but I snagged myself on the cheek right here. I don't know if that was a pimple or what. I didn't even feel it. Out of the blue, I was going down, or going up, excuse me. And I didn't feel anything. I looked and I was like, oh, see Daisy? So, all right. That's what I get for assuming. Sometimes you know when you sniff the jar, but I mean, I'm going to say maybe it's a rule. Don't automatically judge a book by its cover. Because I didn't think I was going to like this. And I actually like it quite a bit. Ooh. Splash has a lot more lime in it. A lot more lime in it. I like that. Oh, wow. Splash is nothing like the soap. I don't even get the banana in it at all. There's jasmine. Oh, wow, that's good. I like that splash a lot. Damn. Gareth has said the splash is where it's at, too. You weren't kidding, buddy. Bergamot. All right. Well done. I like that. Trying to think. I might like Black Rock a little better than this one. Maybe. I think I like Black Rock a little better. I don't know. Let me try this a few more times. I've shaved with Black Rock quite a few times. I'll have to use this again. If I like Black Rock a little better, which I think I do, it's not by much. I like them both. On the flip side of that, I'm not a huge I want to smell like suntan lotion. That's not what this is, by the way, but I guess I'm picky about the summer stuff because of that. Oh. There we go. If there's a suntan scent in it with other stuff, that's not bad, like sand and beach and all that, but that's a lather I have to work with if I was to keep going. Yeah, that's good stuff. There's a cedar wood too. Sean loves a cedar wood. All right, let me do post. Hey, 15 minutes. I don't want to keep going and run it into 20, so let me just do this and I'll call it good. Amalfi has lemon and citrus in it, so I thought it'd be a nice finisher. That damn thing won't stop bleeding. It has some spiciness to it too that I like, and I think there's wood in there as well. It smells like it. Don't remember. All right. Yeah, that's good right there. I know there's bergamot. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay. This is a summer's fragrance, 100%. Period. It's meant to be. I mean, look at the label and all that. But if that's what you're looking for, get it. Great collaboration. I love the collaborations that Gareth does. Not just with MacDuff's, but this is based off an island. I didn't know that until I read the description, and I went and looked it up. Catalina Island. Right there off the coast. So, pretty cool. I like how Gareth put it. When it's the place you think of when you're in bumper to bumper traffic. That was good. I think we all have that place, don't we? I know I think of some places that the people in traffic with me could be when I'm in bumper to bumper traffic, but hey, neither here nor there. But that'll do it. Hope this helped, this damn thing. Let's do the grandpa thing. There we go. Yep. Exclusively at theshavesupply.com. If you are interested, it's very nice. We all know MacDuff's. I like it. Good for the summer. But if you're a summer guy, you like summer fragrances, this is going to be right up your alley. Okay. I just wish that banana thing was in the beginning, but it's really good. I'm more pleased with it, far more so than I thought I would be. No offense, guys. Just being honest. At least for me, this is all my personal preference. This has nothing to do with the overall performance or any of that. This is just the scent that the scent stuff that I'm into and look for, okay? But that'll do it, everybody. Appreciate it. Have a great summer. Happy 4th. I'm going to try to squeeze out one more shave video before the 4th of July, just to do a 4th of July shave kind of thing. Yeah, that'll do it. Y'all take care. Happy shaving. Be safe. Don't do anything stupid. And is that what I usually say? Yeah. Most important of all, happy shaving. Till next time.